Continuing education keeps professionals at the top of their fields, but the systems that manage it haven't kept up. Most CE-ready learning management systems are complex, expensive, and hard to customize. And so we thought it was time for something better. The new continuing education add-on for LifterLMS brings professional-grade CE tracking straight into WordPress, giving you the power of an enterprise LMS without the enterprise friction and the enterprise cost. If you already run continuing education courses on LifterLMS, this is the missing piece. You can now award CE units, manage expirations, and issue certificates that include every detail CE auditors need, all inside the LMS you already know and love. And if you're using another LMS just to support CE programs, you can now finally simplify, move to a platform that's lighter, faster, and more flexible without losing the features you depend on: CEU tracking, expiry automation, and compliance certificates. Every profession tracks learning differently. With LifterLMS, you define the terms, the units, and the renewal cycles, so your program fits your field instead of looking for a legacy LMS built for a narrow use case. Whether you're looking to turn your existing LifterLMS courses into continuing education programs or looking for a better CE-ready LMS, the continuing education add-on, which is also included in the Infinity Bundle plan, delivers enterprise-level functionality without the enterprise-level hassle. Professional-grade learning now built for continuing education. If you have any questions, feature requests, or feedback about implementing LifterLMS for your continuing education programs, our team is here and always happy to help.